Okay guys, so this is how to set up the Instatrader MetaTrader 4 platform. Okay, if you scroll down on the main site of how to trade binary options, okay, right at the bottom here you'll see a link. Just click on that link and it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, now once you're on this page, if you just look on the right hand side here, Forex demo account. Okay, if you click on that, it's going to show you step by step how to download that. Okay, so download it to wherever you want. Follow the instructions. It'll give you exact instructions over here. Okay, so now once you've done that, okay, you're going to end up with a page that looks like this. Okay, once you've opened your demo account, okay, Instatrader demo account, it's going to look something like that. Okay, the first thing we need to do, we can just close one of these charts off. Okay, on the left here, this is our market watch. Okay, if you hold your mouse over these little symbols here, you'll see which one each one is. So this is market watch. If I click on that, now to get my symbols in there, I want to right click here and symbols. Okay, then there's lists here of everything you're going to need. Okay, so you can go in here. Mine are highlighted because I've already chosen them, but you want to go through and add all your currencies that you want to trade. Okay, you can also just click on the whole thing and show, and it'll put it in the side here. Okay, then there's one extra one you're going to want to put in, and that's our dollar index, and that dollar index is here under indices. If you just click on that little arrow and come right to the bottom, US dollar index. Okay, mine's highlighted already because I've already got it in. Yours is going to say show. Click on show, and there you've got it. Okay, so then we can close that. Okay, so now we want to set these charts up. Okay, so the first thing we want to go here to insert, okay, indicators and our moving average. Okay, so the first one we want to do is our 20 simple moving average. Okay, so over here you get simple or exponential, so we'll stick with simple. Apply to close, and over here you can select your colors, whichever colors you want. So this one's on red. Press OK. So you see it come on your chart there. Okay, let's insert indicator, moving average, and this time we'll put a 200 in. And let's change that color. Let's see, let's get that. What's that? Golden rod. Okay, so that's in there. And then the next we want to put in 3 exponential moving averages. Okay, so our first one is our 24. Just go to this drop down menu, exponential, and select your color. So we don't want green because our candles are green. Cadet blue, or whatever it is you want. That's our 24. Insert indicator moving average. Next one is our 62. And let's get a color for that one. How about a yellow? And our last one is going to be our 77. 77. Medium sea green. Okay, now you can see what it looks like over there. Okay, so your chart should be looking something like this now. Okay, you want to make sure that you put it on a candlestick chart. So click this up here. That's a bar chart, and we want candles. Okay, so that's what your chart's going to look like there. So up top here, this is a 1 minute chart. M5 is 5 minutes, 15, 30. And then we've got the 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. Okay, so 1 day we can get an overview of where we're trading. So it's above the 200 there. This is the Euro USD. And it's above all our simple moving averages and exponential moving averages. And then that's week 1, and that's the monthly. Okay, so we're going to keep it on H1. Okay, so now the next thing to do once you've done that is to come to this one right on the end here, and this is templates. Okay, and save template, and then put a name to it. Okay, so test 22 we'll call it, or whatever you want to call it, and then save. Okay, so that's your first currency done. Now to adjust the size of this window, you just can drag it here like this. We still have one more to put on, I forgot, is our indicator and our relative strength. Okay, our relative strength, we're going to put 2 period there, and dodge blue, apply to close. Okay, so that one comes underneath. I forgot about that one, that's a very important one. Let's save template again. Let's save it as test 22. Yes, let's replace that. Okay, to move that relative strength indicator down, you just drag it over there. You can see the where it's trading now. RSI, it's 90.857. You can see it's high up in the 90s here. Okay, so as I said, to adjust the size of this window, something like this, we're going to end up putting 9 on here. So that's our Euro USD. Let's get another one. So you come over here, and let's say we want to go for our USD Japanese yen. So here it is here. Click on it, and then left click, hold down, and just drag it onto your work area. Okay, so there it is. Now all you do, come back to your templates and load template. Okay, and whatever you call that one, we call it test 22. Open it up, bang, it's on there. Okay, so now we can adjust that one. Remember, we're going to end up with 9 or so on here. But all I want you to do is get all of those on firstly. So you can see you can just move it around here. Later on it'll get itself positioned. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do Great British Pound US Dollar. Great British Pound US Dollar over here. Left click on it and then drag it on. Once it's on there, come back to your template, load template, and whatever you called it, test 22 in our case, open, and it's on. Okay, so go through all those, and don't forget to put your dollar index on. Okay, very important. Okay, so this is our US dollar index. And you can do the same thing here. You do the same to all of them, load template, test 22, open. Okay, I usually drag this relative strength index down. Okay, so now once you've got all those on, just make them small, because when you reopen this page, it's going to position them nicely and evenly for you. Now, before you close down, I want you to go here, File and Profiles, and Save As. Okay. So let's call this binary charts. I've already got one called binary charts. Let's call this binary charts 2. Okay. Now what happens there once you close this down, we're going to load our indicator next. When you come to load this back up, I'll show you in a second. You're just going to come back to Profiles, and you'll find your inside there, and you'll just click on that, and it'll bring back all your charts for you. Okay, so once you've got all your currencies up there, so Euro, USD, Japanese yen, all your currencies that we're going to trade, and then I want you to close down your Instatrader. Okay, and then in the next step is we're going to actually load in the indicator. Okay, and I'm going to show that to you in the next video.